Hey guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to reset your LinkedIn password if you forget it. So first of all, open LinkedIn. Now I'm provide simple method step by step, so follow my process very carefully. Click on to profile. Before start the video, make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for more update. So let's get start. Click on to settings. Choose the second option. Click on change password. And you first forget your password, click on. If you using your email address, type it to email address or contact number. Tap on to next and check email address. LinkedIn team sent you a verification code. Check my Gmail. Type here to verification code and then tap on to submit. And I recommend you choose the second option. Check your phone number. Click on to submit. And then showing here to choose a new password, just type here to new password and then finally click on to submit. Then successfully change your LinkedIn password. So that's it. That's how you can easily reset your LinkedIn password if you forget it. If in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial channel for more video.